the devil. If you see it from the behind, then you can see it. I'll show you.
In this episode, we're going to check out Armand's TRD Widebody, aka Red Devil. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Armand.
Okay, and what is your car?
It's a 93 Toyota MR2 Turbo. And this is my only car, so I drive it every day. I put about 21 to 23,000 miles a year. The wheels are my Workmeister. They're 18 by 10 on the front, 1912 and a half in the back, 285/30 and 235/30. The engine has been upgraded with a 3rd gen turbo and air-to-water intercooler. Stock was about 160 to the wheel. Now it puts 360, so it's more than double already. So interior is still stock, so it's just a beater for me just to drive.
Right.
Yeah.
So why did you choose the MR2?
Oh, I've been a Toyota fan since I was little. All my family always have a Toyota, a Camry, a Corolla. So I've been wanting this one, and I really love the setup of the mid engine. And the only mid engine Toyota makes is this one. And I love turbo, so it just fits.
So do you like the body style, or?
Yeah, I like this one, and I got the wide body, so I like it wider. My really deep passion is about NSX, but that's kind of too much to get, so I just get this, the baby NSX.
So what do you like more, the performance or the looks?
For me, I'm not that young anymore, so I just looks better than getting caught street racing or going to the track and then break things. So for now, just the looks, because I just drive it every day. If it breaks or it gets caught or something, it's really hard for me to get another car.
So would you consider this JDM style?
Not really. I don't see this kind of style over there. It's just my style.
What style would you call, or what would you consider that?
Well, the fitment is called a Heliflush, but I don't think I'm following those kind of styles. It's just whatever I see I like, then I just do it.
Can you point out some of the modifications that you've done?
Yeah.
Right.
So these are the Meisters, the wheels, the 1912 and a half. There's the air-to-water intercooler from Celica. The spall fans, RMR manifold, and at the bottom is the heat exchanger and Apexy intercooler. And that's it.
The front or the interior?
No interior. Interior is all stock.
What's that wheel you have in the front?
Oh, it's a spare.
Is it spare? Is it the same kind of wheel? Or is it?
Usually I used to have the same Goldmeister, but I sold it, and I need a spare because if something happened, the car's too low to get to the tow truck, so I need a spare. So I borrow one from my friend, and then I keep carrying spare on the passenger seat. Yeah, I strap it to the passenger seat.
What's in the front?
Oh, it's an 1812 and a half.
Like the same size as
Yeah, and the rear. Which is a 1912 and a half. Yeah, it's really white. It's like this white.
So how did you decide to get these size wheels?
I prefer wide wheels instead of skinny with a deeper offset. So the most I can get on this car is a 12 and a half, but I'm trying to get to 13, but we'll see.
So would you call this a stand style?
Yes, I guess, pretty much.
Like what do you call that?
A Heliflush?
Yeah, is it Heliflush?
I guess, yeah.
Style? Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the motor? You don't really push the motor, do you?
It puts down more than twice, but it's not that I used it. I drive it to work and go home, and it got stuck in LA traffic most of the time, so I don't really get to use it. I take it to Canyon Run, but I find it hard to drive hard because of the fitment. So just take it slow. I only have this much travel though. Look, only from here to here.
Wow. So how do you drive it every day?
Oh, the suspension is custom. So it drives pretty comfortable. Even my friend fell asleep from San Diego, drove here. So it's not that hard. It's not harsh and then jarring. No, it's pretty comfortable.
And so, how much do you think you've invested in this car?
Yeah, I don't think I want to keep track on it. Yeah, it's too much.
Too much, huh?
Yeah.
And are you?
Because it's been little by little, you know, and it adds up. That wax is still there.
Which one?
This wax. This me. Oh. I heard something flew from the truck. Well, don't put it in the.
Hey, this is far, right? Look at the distance. Look.
No. Something flew from the truck, hit the bumper.
Oh,
well, don't put it there, but.
Oh yeah.
That's why it's all cracked and fucked up like this.
Because you daily drive it, right?
Yeah. I put like 23,000.
Wow. What's the mileage?
Now it's 237.
Wow.
I bought it 135. So I just passed 100.
So is this not air suspension? No.
No, it's static on a custom coilover.
Oh.
With Coney and upgraded spring.
So it's always low.
Yeah. Yes.
Are you satisfied with what you've done to it?
Yes, actually the car has been done since about 2 years ago. I'm not one of them who keeps changing up and then keep adding stuff. And it's like, oh, this is a never-ending project. My car has been done since 2 years ago. That's why the looks has been the same for the past 2 years. And when people say, what's next? There's nothing next. It's just I'm enjoying what I have.
So what kind of joy do you get out of driving this car?
The car drives like stock from inside. It's just when I park and I see it better than the other.
So what kind of attention you think you get from driving it?
I hope good attention, because if you do, I don't know, if you modify the engine, you cannot really show it. But if you modify the outside, people notice it. And I don't have to rev and then challenge people just to prove how much horsepower I have.
So it doesn't bother you when people try to rev at you? Or?
Oh, they did.
They do?
They all do. They do it all the time. And I just look at them and say, cool car. And then they would just do a burnout or pass me by. It's like, okay, sure, that's fine.
How do you feel about that? You're okay with it? Or?
It happens daily, so it doesn't bother me anymore. I'm not a young blood anymore. It doesn't piss me off anymore.
What kind of style would you call it, like, for yourself?
My style, I don't know.
You say whatever you like. I mean,
the devil. If you see it from the behind, then you can see it. I'll show you. If you see it from behind, looks like the horn.
So is that like a devil look, or?
Yeah, kind of the devil look. It wasn't done on purpose. A drunk guy stumbled and leaned on it and broke it in half. So I just didn't fix it.
You never fixed it?
Yeah, I never got to fix it. You just leave it like that.
Okay. Do you consider yourself a tuner?
No. No, I don't do stuff on the engine. I have someone did it.
What would you consider yourself?
Car enthusiast. I'm not a racer. I'm not even claim to be. I like to go fast, but that was when I was younger.
Well, what's the difference between a tuner and a car enthusiast?
A tuner and a car tuner. I thought car tuner is the people who tune their cars, right, and put in dyno and then they tune the ECU.
Yeah.
Or modify their car to go fast. Well, the car can go fast, but not anymore.
Yeah. Okay. And what's the difference between a car enthusiast and a like a racer?
The racers, they like to street race, and then they like to challenge each other on the freeway, and then they like to burn out. And that's just, most of them are immature kids. You got my coin?
Oh yeah. Okay. Did you just put that right now?
No, it's been there.
Oh, it's been there.
That's just to show that there's a stretch between the.
Oh yeah, for sure. So that's gonna do it for Armand's TRD Widebody MR2 with a hella flush, hard parked, negative cambered look. Till next time, drive safe and keep on rolling.